Hello guys, welcome back to English Guru. Today we discuss simple English sentences spoken for daily use. Let's start.
Today is a new day. This feels nice. I love toast with jam. It's a beautiful day. How are you? I can do this. This food is delicious. I need some time for myself. I am grateful for today. I woke up this morning and made myself a cup of coffee. It's amazing how a simple drink can kickstart my day. After that, I decided to take a short walk outside. The fresh air felt great on my face. I passed by my neighbor and we exchanged a friendly wave. It's nice to connect with people, even in small ways. Later, I checked my emails and responded to a few important messages. Communication is key, right? Then, I cooked a quick lunch, just some eggs and toast. Sometimes, the simplest meals are the most satisfying. In the afternoon, I took some time to read a book. It's a great way to escape reality for a bit. I love getting lost in different stories. As the day winds down, I plan to relax and watch a movie. Simple moments like these make life enjoyable.